Rock is left. It's about fully from liver. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions can generally lose around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movement of their front liver, while their back livers are glad of behind their bodies, functioning as a ladder for sailing. And that is the total 29 SAT. Thanks so much, Ira. It's in Mikey. But when chasing their prey or seeking strong predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to really to 25 miles per hour. And that is so fast. How about the next one? For IC, the pretty yes. Wow, nice slide. And another one, Stevie Thurston. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be amused of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are thought to recognize the voices underwater man. The winner cities are UN, World Center. Now let's march.